Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. This is an essential skill for managing your business finances and billing your clients professionally through Zoho's accounting platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your account dashboard without any hiccups. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your business. Look for the option labeled Sales and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several choices related to your sales activities. From this expanded menu, click on Invoices to proceed to the Invoicing section. You'll now be directed to the Invoices menu, which is your central hub for creating and managing all your invoices. Here you'll be presented with two distinct options: New Invoice or New Recurring Invoice. Choose the one that fits your current needs. For this tutorial, we'll keep it straightforward and select New Invoice. Click on it and a new window will appear with customization options. In this window, you'll be asked to set your transaction preferences. These settings are important as they determine how your invoices will be structured. You'll need to answer questions such as whether you offer discounts to your clients, if you want to include any additional charges, whether your items are tax inclusive, and if you want to round off sales transactions. You'll also have the option to add a salesperson to this invoice if that applies to your business model. Take your time filling in these preference questions accurately, then click Save and continue to move forward. Now you're on the new invoice page where the real work begins. This section requires you to enter information in each field with extra caution since all of this involves sensitive business data. Start by adding your customer name in the designated field. This ensures the invoice is properly addressed to the right client. Next, enter your invoice number and order number if applicable. These numbers help you track and organize your invoices systematically. Set your invoice dates carefully as these determine payment timelines, and assign an accounts receivable account to properly categorize this transaction in your accounting records. You can also add your salesperson here and include a subject line for this invoice, which helps both you and your client quickly identify what this invoice is for. Scroll down further to reach the item table where you'll list all the products or services you're billing for. This is where your invoice takes shape. Start by adding new rows or choose to add items in bulk if you have multiple products to include. Add each product along with its corresponding price, making sure every detail is accurate. Review all the information you've entered on this page meticulously. Double-check quantities, prices, tax calculations, and any discounts to ensure there are zero errors before finalizing. Once you've checked everything and confirmed all fields are filled correctly, click on Save and Send. This will save your invoice and send it directly to your customer, streamlining your billing process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.